Most busy professionals don't lose time because they're lazy. They lose it to email, meetings, and reporting. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that can realistically save you 10 or more hours every single week. And I'll walk you through exactly how they fit into a normal workday. If you're new here, this is Pilot Flow AI, and I help you master your workflow with AI. Let's get into it. Let's start with the place most people lose time without realizing it, their calendar. Tool number 1 is Motion. Motion is an AI scheduling assistant that automatically plans your day for you. Here's how it works. You add your tasks, your deadlines, and your meetings. Motion takes all of that, looks at your calendar, and then automatically blocks out time for each task. If a meeting gets added or something runs long, Motion replans your day in the background. You don't have to manually drag tasks around or constantly rethink, when am I going to get this done? It's especially useful if you're juggling a lot of projects or context switching between meetings and deep work. Instead of spending 15 to 30 minutes every day planning your schedule, Motion just does it for you. Over a week, that alone can save you a few hours. And more importantly, it helps you actually finish the things you said you would do. Tool number 2 is Notion AI, and it handles everything around notes and documentation. The way I like to use it is simple. I take rough notes during a meeting, or I brain dump ideas into a page. Then I ask Notion AI to summarize them, pull out action items, or turn them into a clean project brief. It's also great for writing first drafts of things like status updates, feature descriptions, or internal FAQs. You never have to start from a blank page. You just refine what the AI gives you. If you spend time cleaning up notes or writing internal docs, Notion AI can easily save another 1 to 2 hours a week without much effort. Tool number 3 is Fathom, and this one quietly saves a lot of time in meetings. Fathom automatically records, transcribes, and highlights your Zoom or Teams calls. Instead of typing notes while you're trying to listen, you just mark important moments, and Fathom captures them for you. After the meeting, it generates a summary, the decisions, and the next steps. You can drop that straight into email, Slack, or Notion. If you average 5 or more meetings a day, this can easily save 10 to 15 minutes per meeting and completely remove the stress of, did I write that down correctly? Tool number 4 is Perplexity, which I use as a research assistant. Anytime I'm trying to understand a topic, a competitor, or a new regulation, instead of reading 10 different tabs, I ask Perplexity one clear question. The key difference compared to a standard chatbot is that Perplexity shows its sources and lets you drill into them quickly. You get a synthesized answer and you can still verify the original material. For strategy decks, market analysis, or just catching up on a topic before a meeting, this easily saves hours of manual searching and clicking around. Tool number 5 is Zapier, and this is what I use to glue everything together. Zapier connects your apps, email, calendar, CRM, Notion, and many others. And now it also has AI steps built in. For example, you can take a meeting summary from Fathom, run it through an AI step to clean it up, automatically send it to your team in Slack, and create follow-up tasks in Notion or your project tool. You set this up once, and every future meeting just flows through the system automatically. This is where you start to get compounding time savings because it removes manual copying and pasting from your week entirely. So if we add this up, calendar with Motion, notes and summaries with Notion, meetings with Fathom, research with Perplexity, and automation with Zapier. With these AI tools, you are not just saving a few minutes here and there. You are taking back 10 or more hours every week. I'll put links to all of these tools in the description so you can try them out. If you want more practical AI workflows for your day-to-day job, hit subscribe. This channel is all about helping you master your workflow with AI.